Welcome everyone in Teaching Point. If my videos are helpful for you, please don't forget to thumb up and subscribe. Let's start today's topic, that is about adverbs and its types. What is an adverb? It is a modifier. It describes more about an action, that is verb. Because of adverb, we can understand how, when, where the action takes place. Let's talk about different types of adverbs. So the first one is adverb of time. Adverb of time tells us when something is happened or when someone did something. It also tells us the duration of an action. For example, I have done this before. He will come soon. So soon, before, last, later, soon. Formerly, yet, since. All these are different examples of adverbs of time. Tomorrow, tonight, yesterday, now, then, today. These are the apparent examples of adverbs of time. Second is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency, it describes how often something occurs either in indefinite terms or definite terms. The definite terms or the definite frequency is used as weekly, daily or yearly. This is specific, and this is something about that is definite, that is already known. However, an adverb describing indefinite frequency does not specify an exact time period, exact time frame, just as sometimes, often, rarely, usually, occasionally, seldom, or always, etc. So we can discuss adverb of frequency according to two headings, definite or indefinite. So next come adverb of place. It tells us where something happens. Adverb of place usually placed after the main verb or after the clause that they modify. Adverb of place do not modify adjectives or other adverbs. Examples of adverb of place: sit here, she went out, along the other side, underground, towards, east, up, down, inside, outside, next door, right now, before, there, here, overseas, somewhere. These are and there are many different examples of adverb of place. Adverb of manner. So the next will be adverb of manner. It tells us how something happened. They are usually placed either after the main verb or after the object. So he fought bravely, he went slowly. These are the adverbs. This is the kind of adverb that are known to every one of us. However, someone can hardly understand the type that this is adverb of manner. Usually we know about them that these are adverbs. Now we can differentiate it as adverb of manner. So brightly, easily, beautifully, frankly, foolishly, fondly, handily, healthily, fast, hastily, closely are different examples of adverbs of manner. Now come to adverbs of degree or quantity. Adverbs of degree tells us the degree or extent to which something happens. It can modify verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. So you can see that he is very happy, she is too careless. So these sentences are describing the extent, the degree, that to what extent this action is taken place. There are different examples of degree, quantity: too, many, too much, few, less, more, enough, and many others. Now come to adverbs of affirmation and negation. It declares that something is true if I'm talking about the affirmation that something, some statement is true or logical, or a negative statement, judgment, or negative logic. She certainly wrote the letter. She doesn't know me. So certainly that is a cause that is about something that is sure, that is true, and certainly, rarely, really, actually, surely, absolutely. These are some of the examples of adverbs of affirmation, while in case of negative we have only nay, never, and not, so we can understand it easily. Adverbs of reason. Adverbs of reason or purpose express the reason on target behind the happening of particular action. What is the reason of, or what is the reason behind that particular action? So the terms used for the adverb of reason are therefore, hence, so, since, because. Usually these are these join the sentences. These tells us the reason. I don't come to school today because I am ill. So these are the examples of adverbs of reason. He therefore left the class, hence it is proved. So these are automatically some reason or purpose. Next come to interrogative adverbs. Interrogative, as you can understand, that these are about asking some questions. These are used to ask questions. However, you have to note it down. Then in interrogative adverbs starts a question, the second word is the verb. Just as where does she teach, when you do you play, why is he crying? So how, when, where, why. These are few examples of interrogative adverbs. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.